Your front lawn helps your home make a good first impression, and a good fertilizing routine can keep it looking its best. Grass gets some essential nutrients from soil, but most soils don't have everything grass needs to grow. Fertilizer keeps your grass healthy in 4 ways. 1. It promotes new leaf and root growth. 2. It aids in recovery from wear and tear. 3. It reduces and controls weeds. 4. It replaces lost nutrients. Fertilizer is available in either granules or liquid. Granules are applied with a spreader, while liquid is sprayed. Granular options are typically best for long-term feeding. If you're looking for something fast-acting, choose a liquid fertilizer. To apply granules, fill the spreader with fertilizer, then set the flow rate. The flow rate can be found on the fertilizer bag. Spread fertilizer around your yard's perimeter first, then in a back-and-forth pattern across the lawn. Liquid fertilizer is applied with a hose-end sprayer or by filling a separate handheld sprayer. Spray side to side, walking your lawn at a slow and steady pace. There are different fertilizers available to help with everything from insect control to establishing a new lawn. Consider things like the type of grass you have, your main concerns with your lawn, and your preferred application method before choosing one. Now it's your turn to achieve a well-nourished lawn. With just a little bit of knowledge and the right product, you'll be on your way to beautiful, healthy grass.